Hey guys, it's Kaylee here, and welcome to my channel. So, I've been sick the past few days, so if my voice sounds a little weird, that's why. And while I was sick, I happened to get the Holo Taco Unicorn Skin Collection. And I am so excited. So when I first got the collection, I decided to swatch all of the different polishes over top of black and white paper, but I realized that I'm going to be swatching it on my nails, so there was really no point in that. I also had these different colors of construction paper, so I put some lines on them to separate the different sections of the nail polish, and I painted each unicorn skin over top of each different construction paper color. The colors that I used were red, orange, yellow, green, and blue. So if you guys were curious what the different unicorn skins look like over different colors, here you go. I've helped you out. You're welcome. I was also watching the video for the unicorn skin collection, and she mentioned that you can layer the different unicorn skins on top of each other. So I decided to layer on the Aurora unicorn skin and then put the solar unicorn skin over top of it, and it looked really pretty, and I decided why not just add the third unicorn skin on top. So I added the third one and it looked really cool. And then I decided let's just go all out and add some Holo Tacos. So I added a layer of each of the Holo Tacos, and oh my gosh, I have unlocked the secrets to the universe. I also tried this over top of white paper, and it didn't turn out as cool. I mean, it looks cool, but I personally like it over top of black better. Okay, so I'm tired of painting paper. Let's just paint my nails already. And, they're not looking the best right now. Someone took all my nail polish and told me I could never paint my nails again. Yeah. Actually, I've just been sick and I haven't had any time to do my nails, so, but let's fix that. So let's just clean up my other hand, and I'm thinking dark blue holo. Perfect. This is Midnight Spark from the Holo Taco Holidays collection, and it's so gorgeous. Deep blue holo, and oh, it's so pretty. And I just put on a normal base coat and one coat of top coat. So I think it's time to actually paint my main hand and start experimenting with these nail polishes. Luckily, I wore a peel-off base coat underneath my nail polish, so I got to peel it off. My pinky peeled off pretty well, and my other nails decided to be a bit more stubborn. This one decided to peel off in 2 pieces instead of 1, so that's fun. And the third one was a little rough, but I managed to peel it off. And now my nails are clean and ready to be painted. So let's just do it. Also, I'm aware that my nails are stained. They're orange and stained, and it's just because I wear dark polish. No need to worry about my nail color. It's just stained from nail polish. Anyways, I'm wearing a peel-off base coat under all the stuff that I painted on my nails today, so, yeah. So the first polish I decided to swatch was not Milky White. So this is a white creme polish, and it is supposed to be opaque in 1 coat, possibly 2. This nail polish painted on really well, and it was super smooth and buttery and just it goes on your nail perfectly. And it is very opaque. I know the pain of trying to find a perfect white nail polish because it's not easy. A lot of them are very milky, and so if you're looking for a milky polish, this is not it. But if you're looking for a not milky white, this is the polish for you. So then I painted on my second coat, and it was completely opaque. You couldn't see through it at all. This is like the perfect white. I absolutely love this white and would definitely recommend it to anyone looking for a nice, opaque white polish. This stuff is so opaque, it's pretty much white out for your nails. And in fact, I decided to paint some white out on my nails to prove that it's practically the same thing. So I guess I didn't shake up the bottle enough, but we're not gonna worry about that, just keep painting over it. And I forgot that whiteout is quick drying, and I kept brushing over it and it picked up some of the whiteout. But that's okay, that's what second coats are for, you know? Just paint on a second coat and it fixes everything. I see no difference. This is a perfect white, that's a perfect white. I'm joking though, you guys. This stuff is not for your nails and this stuff is. So if you're looking for something for a white nail polish to put on your nails, don't put white out on your nails. It's not safe, it's not recommended. But it does work. But don't do it. The second creme polish in this collection is called Indigo Away, and it is a deep purpley, slightly bluish, indigo-ish color. Not exactly sure how to explain it, but this polish is also very opaque and was practically opaque in one coat, but I put on a second coat just to be safe. And yeah, this is a really nice polish. Again, would definitely recommend. Applied really nicely, just like the white. So, you may be thinking, isn't this polish kind of similar to Royalty Blue, which is the royal blue from the original Holo Taco collection? And that's what I'm here to test out for you. I painted on Indigo Away onto my nails once again, because you haven't seen me paint it on enough. And then I painted on Royalty Blue. And as you can already see, this is much different from Indigo Away. So, if you're wondering if Indigo Away and Royalty Blue are the same polish, I have confirmed that they are not. They are both very different polishes. And so yeah, there you go. You're welcome. So let's get into testing the unicorn skins. So the first unicorn skin I'll be swatching is Solar Unicorn Skin over top of Not Milky White. And this polish, of course, applies very well. It's a good high quality polish. So the Solar Unicorn Skin looks very pretty and elegant over top of the Not Milky White, but over top of Indigo Away, it is a completely different story. It's more of a fiery, orangey red, and this is my personal favorite unicorn skin to put over top of Indigo Away. I really like the really bright, orangey, fiery tones of it, which explains why it's called Solar Unicorn Skin. It almost looks like dragon scales. I'll have to see if I can figure out some cool design to do with this, because I really like this polish combination. Now, I'm definitely going to be wearing it a lot more, so be prepared to see this polish a lot. So, I may have dented my nail while waiting for it to dry, but we're not gonna talk about that, okay? I just got a little impatient and I was tired of waiting for nail polish to dry, so we're just gonna smush it down and act like it never happened. It's not gonna affect the application of the unicorn skin. You see, I'm testing the unicorn skin to see how well it applies over top of a poorly applied base. So anyways, this is Aurora unicorn skin over not Milky White, and this one is more of a like yellowy green to blue kind of unicorn skin over top of white. Yeah, it's really nice, I guess. Not my favorite, but I don't know. And just like the other unicorn skin, it is completely different over top of Indigo Away. It is more of a purpley, bluish, pinkish unicorn skin. And I think this one's really pretty. It's kind of like dreamy, maybe like, I don't know, cotton candy? No, it's like galaxy. If you were to do galaxy nails, I would definitely use this polish in it. That's a good idea. I might do that. And the final unicorn skin is the Cosmic unicorn skin. Over here I'm applying it over not Milky White, and this is my personal favorite unicorn skin over top of Milky White. I just really like the color spectrum from like green to almost purple. I don't know, it's really cool. I like it. It's almost like the full rainbow spectrum, but not really. But I don't know. I don't really know what I'm saying at this point. But I really like this one. And of course, over top of Indigo Away, it is completely different. It is more of a pinky, maybe even orange, kind of purpley color. I don't know. This one's really nice too. So yeah, of course applied perfectly, perfect amount of flakes. It's just, it's a perfect nail polish. I love it. Anyways, I was looking at my other hand, which I painted with Midnight Spark earlier, and I decided, what happens if I add some unicorn skin over top of it? So that's what I did, just to see what happens. And I don't normally paint my other hand on camera, so I kind of blocked the camera. Oops. But anyways, I think this is really, really pretty, and I kind of like this unicorn skin over top of Holo. It like adds more dimension to the Holo. I don't know how to explain it, but it looks really cool. And if you have these polishes, I would definitely recommend trying this out. And I felt so inspired with that I decided to do something really similar on my main hand. So I painted on Frostlight, which is another nail polish from the Holo Taco Holidays collection. And it's like a light blue holo. It's very similar to the dark blue formula-wise, but very different color, of course, as you can see. And I decided to paint Solar Unicorn skin over top of it, just to add some of that fiery unicorn skin glow over top of it. I don't know. I think it's really neat because sometimes the light catches the holo a bit better, and sometimes it catches the unicorn skin a bit more. And so depending on the lighting around you, you get different looking nails. And then sometimes you can see both, and it just looks really, really nice, and I really, really like this. So if you have some unicorn skin and you have some holo, I would definitely recommend trying out this cool combination. So there's pretty much like unlimited possibilities to what you can do with these unicorn skins. There's so many different things and so many nail polishes that I need to put them over and see what they look like. And I would love to spend hours, but this video is getting kind of long, so I thought I'd wrap it up here. Normally I would do a final nail art design using all, if not most, of the nail polishes from this collection, but this video is getting kind of long, so I'm gonna have a bonus nail art tutorial coming out on Tuesday, so mark your calendars. I'll be having a second nail art video coming out on Tuesday. So to conclude my experience with this nail polish, I will definitely be using it more often, and I love these polishes, and it's so convenient because I've actually been looking for a white nail polish, and here it is. Here's a perfect white polish, and it works so well. The formulas to all of these nail polishes are perfect, and the amount of unicorn skin inside the unicorn skin nail polish, and it's just perfect. It's like awesome. I would definitely recommend this nail polish collection to anyone who enjoys painting their nails. Or if you don't enjoy painting your nails, maybe if you have this collection, you will enjoy painting your nails. I don't know, maybe. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed my kind of review plus swatching of this nail polish collection, of the Holo Taco unicorn skin nail polish collection. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a wonderful, amazing, fantastic, fabulous, exciting day. And I will hopefully see you guys next Tuesday with my bonus video. So, yeah.